Hey you guys, this is video number 1 in the plywood platform bed series that I'm doing. Today we're cutting out the legs for the bed. We're going to glue them together and chop them down to their final size. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, just want to interrupt the video real quick to explain something. What you're about to see is me switching saws, and I just wanted to explain why, because you may think, what's going on with that? So here's the reason. Up until now, you've been watching me use this saw here. It's the crosscut Japanese pole saw. Great little saw, does a great job for me, but here's what I ran into with it. It's got this little spline, you can see it right here, that gives this blade some stability. But when I'm all the way in the cut, when this blade is sunk down deep, when I push it forward, I have a tendency to hit that spline on the material that I'm cutting. So I had to shorten my cuts to half the length of this blade to stay safe. I finally figured out, or decided to try, this saw, which is another Japanese style pole saw, but it's made by the Yellow and Black Tool Company, as you can see. This has no spline on it. The saw has two edges, large teeth here for rip cuts and fine teeth on this side for cross cuts, but there's no spline here, so I can get all the way in the cut, use the blade all the way, the entire length of the saw blade there, and it's been helping me power through this last leg. Should have started using that one. Like I said, the other saw is great, but for this application, should have been using that one the whole time. That's all right. All right, so that's the reason you see the switch. All right, guys, back to the video. Thanks. All right, guys, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, that's part one of the plywood platform bed series that I'm doing. I'm already neck deep in the second phase of this thing with the side rails and the head and footboard and that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for video number 2 coming soon. Check the description down below for more details if you need more information, how to get to my website, see what else is going on, that kind of thing. If you've been following me on Instagram, you're already kind of tracking where I'm at with the bed. I've just been compiling all those videos from Instagram into this big one here. So enjoy, and thanks again. You guys have a great day.